How to add notes on Instagram Reels. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can add notes on Instagram Reels. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So for this, you will actually need to have the updated version of your Instagram. So first, go to your app store, search for Insta, and after you search for it, if you see an update button available, update the app. After you updated the app, you can then open up the app and find a reel that you want to add a note on. So let's say this is a reel that I want to do so. Right here on the right hand side, right below comments, you'll see a repost button. Tap on it and you've just reposted this reel. Now you can add a thought from here. This is basically a note. So I'm just gonna type in hi and tap and save. And that's how you can add a note on Instagram Reels. And that's basically all for today's video. It's that simple. And if you guys are new to our channel, just subscribe and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.